Female accessories. The following items may be worn to accessorize the uniform. No other accessories may be worn. Wristwatch. A wristwatch is required and must be simple and unadorned. The wristwatch band may be navy, white, black, brown, silver and/or gold tone. Rings. A total of 3 rings may be worn. Engagement and wedding rings, when worn on the same finger, count as 1 ring. No more than 2 rings may be worn on one hand. May not be worn on knuckles or thumbs. Earrings. 1 pair of matching earrings may be worn, 1 earring per earlobe, no larger than 20 by 20 mm diameter. Drop and hoop styles are permitted, but must not be larger than 20 by 21 mm diameter. May be gold, silver, pearl, precious or semi-precious gemstones that complement the uniform. Cuff styles are not permitted while in uniform. Visible body piercing, including tongue piercing, other than earlobes, is not permitted while in uniform. Necklace. 1 single strand 20 inches in diameter gold, silver or white pearl necklace may be worn, but may not be visible when wearing the scarf. Any accompanying pendant is not to exceed 1 square inch. Choker-style necklaces are not permitted. Wrist bracelet. 1 or more gold, silver or pearl bracelets or bands may be worn. Total width of all bracelets together may not be more than 1 inch. Acceptable colors include gold, silver, pearl, precious and semi-precious stones that complement the uniform. Only metal bracelets are allowed. Company-awarded length of service or recognition charms may be worn on the charm bracelet. Female miscellaneous. Body piercing and tattoo adornments will not be visible while in uniform. Ankle chains or bracelets, nose jewelry, and fingernail jewelry are not permitted. Female hairstyles and grooming. Hairstyles. Hairstyles will be clean, neat and will be maintained in a professional manner that is appropriate for business wear. Hair coloring is limited to natural human hair shade. Hair will be styled so that it does not require frequent handling or fall into the face when bending over. Bangs will be no longer than the top of the eyebrows. Hair below the top of the shoulders will be pulled back and secured at the sides. Hair that extends more than 8 inches below the top of the uniform collar will be worn back and up at all times. Hairstyles may not be more than 3 inches in fullness and may not wave or curl outward to extreme volume. A French braid is appropriate if the length does not exceed 8 inches from the nape of the neck and does not fall forward. Cornrows, fully or partially braided hairstyles without beads or trim may be worn. Dreadlocks are not permitted. If a wig or hairpiece is worn, it will be natural looking, of good quality and appropriate for business wear. Hair accessories. Only 1 hair accessory may be worn at a time. Approved accessories include barrette, barrette with pick, banana clip, comb, butterfly clip, or headband in gold or silver tone, pearl, tortoiseshell, black or navy. A solid dark navy or black. Scrunch may be worn. With the exception of a headband, hair accessories may not be worn on the top of the head. Makeup. Makeup will be appropriate for business wear and will complement the individual's skin tone and facial features. Makeup will be worn and a fresh appearance maintained at all times while in uniform. Makeup should be freshened as necessary, but never in view of the customer. Nail care. Nails will be medium length or shorter and will be buffed or polished. Nail color will complement the skin tone and harmonize with the lipstick, makeup and uniform apparel. All nails will match in color. French manicures, pink nail, white tip, are acceptable. Nail polish will be maintained and free of noticeable chips. Unusual shades and/or nail adornments are not permitted, for example, white, blue, black, green, fluorescent, rivets, individually highlighted nails, gold tips, or decals, etc.